Hey guys, last night when I was going to sleep, and I'm on my period, so I'm automatically feeling more psychic. God, like, literally told me to speak about this with you, which is that have you ever felt like, okay, you suddenly got inspired to watch a video, or suddenly someone shared a video that changed your life, or suddenly you came across there was a moment that you came across a book that you ended up reading and it was like such a powerful impact on you, or you felt like that you were inspired to focus, to watch something, to put invest your time into reading something, to listen to somebody, and it was life changing in my life. In 2018 or in 2019, a friend of mine shared just randomly a video with me. When I watched that video, it completely transformed not only my life, my entire ancestry line. Because I'm gonna be like, we are all going to be the ancestors, and the changes that we are making in our life, the self love, self care, the healing work that we are doing, the unlearning of the garbage that we have been taught around, relationships, around our worth, around food, money, sex, and all of that. When we are healing that, when we are learning the when we are learning the right knowledge and we are practicing it, we are healing our entire generational line, our own ancestral line. We are bringing so much love into this world, in our ancestry line, in our on our planet. Okay, so anyway, my friend sent me that video, and when I watched that, and it was a video about health, the changes we should. Before that, I was never aware about liver cleanses, and I found like such a holistic way. If you know the Sattvic movement, oh my god, they're like their videos, if you are into health and all of that, is so powerful. The knowledge that I received, oh my god, when God blesses you with the right knowledge, it's life changing. It's very life changing. I know so many people who are without that knowledge, and or sometimes they are not able to continue with it. Even knowing better is one thing, but like practicing that thing, that actually brings a real change. But yes, I was inspired to watch it, rewatch that video. I was inspired to make change regardless of however many times I was failing, because I was like failing a lot for the so I was saying that I was failing a lot in the beginning. I was not able to take care of my health, and I still have the moments where few days where I will keep going back into my old eating habits, old like routines and all of that. And in those moments, God inspires me to forgive myself, because yeah, anyway, I can there's that's like a total another video. But like, I want you to like, God wanted me to, your guide especially wanted me to uh, guide you towards remembering those moments where you felt so guided, like that something that you did and you started to do, or that you were guided towards, it was life changing. Remember those moments and be grateful for them, because the way to manifest more good things in our life is by being grateful for what we have. And it is not about like, not don't do it with the intention of like, okay, then only I will have more. No, God will bless you, but like, grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. So just be grateful. Remember those moments when you were so guided, because not lot of people are connected to that guidance, but you are, so there is definitely some, that's a gift. I want you to recognize that. Do you see that it's such a strong gift to have that connection with the higher power? Be grateful for it. Be grateful for all the inspirations that you receive from the higher power, and that you were guided in your mind. Okay, I could have like chose to not watch that video, but I chose to watch it. I was guided to go back towards it again and again, and I was guided to like another mentor of mine. I'm so glad I came across her videos. They're so powerful. So I invested my time into watching them. I was guided to get like some courses, you know that literally changed my life, and the books that changed my life, I was guided towards them. I was guided to invested my time in them. How beautiful is that? So be grateful, be like every day when I'm making something, like God inspired me right now to make a green juice. I was so grateful. I was like, God, thank you for inspiring me to choose a healthier option. Thank you for guiding my mind towards choosing the healthier option and all of that. Book a one-on-one session with me, link is in my description. And if you want to bring more good energy into your life, check out my magic paintings. When you keep them around, I guarantee like good things happen when you have my magic paintings.